Welcome to this presentation of our software offer. The JefEdit software suite contains four main functions. Depending on the type of data file, we can use Composer or Converter, and depending on the type and number of printers, we can use a spooler or a single print module. We can have two kinds of data for the JefEdit product. Raw data, like ASCII text, CSV file, mean that we have to do the layout, the presentation of the pages to be printed. The second kind of data is PDL, like AFP, PDF, or PostScript. That means that the layout is already done. In this case, already conversion is needed. Our solution will send data to different printers regarding the paper, continuous, web, or sheet-fed paper, and also regarding to the protocol, mainly IPDS for high-speed printers, and also PCL, PDF, PostScript for others. So let's start with the composition module, the composer, which name is JefEdit comp. That means that we have to do the layout. The information are coming from the raw data, no programming in general, except in specific complex cases. A large number of functionalities makes this tool very powerful and easy to use. Two languages are available, French or English, but adding your language can be studied. Some parts of the JefEdit comp windows, the definition of pages and document sizes, pretreatment or transcoding are available in case of need. That could help when the data is not simple. Then the field definition. Each information in the data file has to be referenced inside JefEdit. For example, a name will correspond to a field name, nom or name, with a length and a type. Positioning. Then it is easy to drag and drop each field on the page. Each field can be used as a text or numerical value. We also can make calculation, combine several fields, use condition to make a field appear. Fields can be text, graphic, pictures, barcode, and so on. All Windows TrueType font can be used. We can use forms to help the positioning of data fields. That could be a scan of a pre-printed paper, for example. The page sequencing. You can have a lot of different pages inside the same application. There is a tool named the book, which manages the page printing order on the number of each pages. And then the viewer. This is a very useful function. You can see the result of your composition directly on the screen. On this example, there are texts, pictures, barcodes, and so on. The color picture means that we can print on color printers. The print module. Let's continue with the printing module named JefEdit Print. Once the composition or application has been created with JefEdit Comp, we have to apply it to a data file in order to generate a data flow to the printer. This module allows that by making print jobs. The connection to the different printers is realized through TCP/IP. Print statistics are available. The printing flow can be archived in PDF or AFP. (2G) is also providing camera control system. Some areas on the page can be captured by cameras. A checking is realized in order to ensure integrity and integrality of printing. The control system can be synchronized with the print module in order to start the right control job. The control system then can stop the printing or alert the operator in case of percentage of errors or in case of a certain number of continuous errors. The job creation screen to associate application to data file. The static printing screen, which allows the printing of all files or start at a certain page number. All the recovery possibilities, for example, after a paper jam, so we can restart at a page number, at a customer name, and so on. That means that we can declare some field as reprise field in the JefEdit comp. Converter and spooler. Now let's have a look to conversion and spooling functions. The converter is needed when we want to print already protocoled files. The converter will transform AFP, PDF or PostScript to IPDS or NPP file. NPP is the Nipson protocol, only for Nipson printers. But that could be an advantage when we want to buy IPDS Nipson printer and the customer doesn't need IPDS licenses. That means the cost is less. The spooler allows then to select a request and to send it to the desired printer. Converter and spooler can be on separate PCs. Jef Control, camera control system. A short view on the camera control system Jef Control. Different configuration can be realized depending on the customer demand. It can be interfaced with the print module or the spooler module. An easy-to-use software allows to define the job control. It identifies page areas and for each the control type. It continues the way to alert or stop the printing. All events are stored in a file. JefControl is a complete tool to ensure security and quality of printed documents. Thank you for attending this presentation of 2G software offers. For more information or question, please contact the following link. Thank you again and goodbye.